Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable all notifications on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down. You just click here on notifications, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just click here on suggestions here. In here can you manage if you want to disable of this here for notifications, or just click on this sign or this color up, like you say all notifications disable with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.